Hey guys, I'm back again. It's Helena sharing with you. Carrying and cleaning your diffuser is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's get started. Over a period of time when we are using our diffuser tends to discolor or it becomes stained, right? So I'm going to teach you a few tips. How do you care for your diffuser so that you will have voluminous misting instead of misting that is very slow. Alright, so first thing first, when you look at your diffuser, what do? You just have to open this and look at the inside. If it looks a bit yellow, it's okay. What is the tip? The tip is by using lemon oil. Lemon oil has very good cleansing effect. So you put 1 or 2 drops. The tip is, cannot be stingy. Then spray some Teeth household cleaner and use a gentle brush to brush. This is how you do it. Okay? And watch out for the plate, because this is the plate that controls the misting. If you want voluminous, this plate, make sure it is clean. I find it very therapeutic just by cleaning, because after it is clean, it looks so good and I feel so good. Okay, I think OCD people be able to understand. Throw away the dirty stuff, rinse it with clean water. Voila! Next is the cover. The inner cover and the outer cover. Because I'm not at the sink, so I'm going to use a cotton. Spray the cotton, add my favorite oil, lemon, and just clean it. You will see the stain removed. Alright? And don't forget the inside here, the hole here, just clean it. The next one goes with this as well. You have to remember, after you're cleaning with the lemon oil, you can't just leave like this, yeah? Make sure you rinse it nicely, because essential oil have a sticky effect after a while, right? And the inside as well. Ooh la la, this is so dirty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rinse this a little bit, because I do not want the lemon oil to stain on my diffuser cover, okay? Wipe it dry. Can I rinse this? No, but you can clean it here, you can rinse it here, okay? Dry it up, same again, take good care. Love it, because it's one of your favorite diffuser as well, right? And I want to give you one tip. Did you see the ventilation here? And there's another hole here where the misting comes out from. So please do not put this in alignment. It always have to go in the opposite direction. Okay? Voila! So the cleaning will be the same for all the diffusers. Open up. Make sure you clean the plate. The plate is very important. Once, if your plate is not clean, it gets stuck, it won't mist. That's why some complain that it's not misting, because maybe the plate is not working, right? Because of it's stuck. The same goes with the celebrity, and this one you have to remove every piece, okay? Every piece of it. And look at this one, is a bit yellow, right? When you see up close. Well, because I've been using abundance and I was a bit lazy and I didn't really clean it nicely. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean this. I'm going to add in lemon as usual, and also some teeth cleanser. Oh, this is the new packaging, okay? That was my old. I'm just recycling the old bottles. Brush, brush, brush. It's very therapeutic. Let me tell you, I love to clean. Anything that is washable, I enjoy doing it. And I'm going to use another cotton to clean around the area. Scrub it down. And it's clean. It's wonderful. So I'm going to use a little bit of this to rinse it. A bit of water. Remember to be watchful of the plug area. Do not let the water seep through it. Okay? And for this area, I'm going to use a bit of water, because the light lemon I was using, I do not want the lemon to be sticking on it. So I'm just going to wipe it down. Smells so good. Okay? And for the glass, it's very straightforward. You just have to rinse it with the water. And if it's quite sticky, lemon. And the Tiff's household cleaner. Voila! And don't forget your little pieces before you start turning on. These two pieces, you got to clean it with the Tiff household cleaner and also the lemon oil as well, right? The tip of this, how do you get misting? And some people was telling me, oh, why is my misting not, why does it breaks down so easily? Remember, the pout here must not be on the same together with this. It has to be the other way around, so that when the misting comes out, it pushes out through this hole. So that's about it for tonight. I hope you will care for your diffuser. Bye bye for now. Be safe.